Hello friends, in last lecture we discussed the topics about the modes. In this mode we can see the two types of there are modes is first is longitudinal and second is transverse mode. So in this mode we get the mode of operations in the waveforms like structure, and transverse mode we get the various types of TEM modes we can study. So now today we are going to start the new topic, single mode of operation. In this single mode of operation, you know that student, the laser beam is a highly monochromatic unidirectional source of light. So that can of reason it operated the single longitudinal and a single transverse mode. In this longitudinal modes, we see the various types of modes can be included. That will be the emission of modes. Emission of waves can be automatically transverse. So that can be various cavity modes can be generated. And in this single transverse mode we get the TEM modes can be studied. In this in transverse mode, various types of TEM mode will be seen in the intensity of transverse mode. So higher order of TEM mode extend away from the cavity of axis and can exist only in the aperture of the cavity axis, and can exist only if the aperture of the cavity is large enough. So that can be TM mode is a transverse mode that can be distributed the intensity of light. So this can be extend from the particular cavity of axis. So any aperture in front of the way that can be cavity is a large enough quantity will be immersed. So the light higher order of modes can be suppressed by narrowing the laser cavity. So higher order modes in TEM mode including TEM00, TEM01, TEM11. That can be various types of high the modes can be included. In this case, TEM11 is a higher order of modes can be suppressed the narrow beam of laser cavity. You know that the laser can be passes the beam like structure. So that will be the intensity of light will be spread in that surrounding in the narrow in the narrow form. So to achieve the single transverse mode operation, a small circular aperture slightly large the spot of size of the TEM00 mode is placed in the middle cavity. See in this figure, the techniques is for the single longitudinal modes of Fabry-Perot experiment. So that will be we can see in last lecture transverse modes, and in this transverse modes various TM modes included. How can be diagrammatically we represents that the various TM mode cavity modes. So that the spot of size is depend on the mode type. It has high degree of spatial coherence. So the lower beam divergence and the beam can be focused to the smallest spot size and highest power density. We see that the laser beam can be divergence form, and the lower beam will be divergence, and that beam can focus that TEM mode transverse mode of small spot size. So that can be the phenomena due to the produces in high spatial coherence form. The laser can be unidirectionally monochromaticity form, and that will be the coherence phenomena will be generated. That we see that the in that coherence is two types of spatial coherence and temporal coherence. In that case of spatial coherence, we see that the beam can be focused from the small spot of sizing the that due to causes the highest power of density. So when laser is oscillating in a single transverse mode, it can still oscillate on several axial modes. When laser is passes through single transverse mode, it can be axial modes can be generated. So axial modes can be separated by the frequency delta V is equal to C by 2 mu L, where V is the frequency and C is the light producing that form, and mu is a refractive index of that medium, and L is the length between two aperture. So cavity length of L when decreases, the frequency separated between the axial modes will be increases. When length can be decreases between two aperture, that causes the axial modes will be increases. Single axial mode axial mode operation is to be decreased and cavity of length, so that only one axial mode exists in the within the gain profile curve. In this single axial mode, when the operation that operation can be decreases the cavity of length, and that causes the axial modes will be gain the profile curve. So that case we see in that figure the techniques for obtaining the longitudinal modes by using the Fabry-Perot experiment. This is the Fabry-Perot experiment. That will be the lambda by 4 plate, that it will be the output aperture coupler, and this plate will be lambda by 4 plate, and these two will be the lambda by 4 plate. This will be the laser head, that will the Webster plate, and this will be the controller of electrical optical, and Q be the switch. That with the reflectivity of mirrors will be see in that high reflectivity of mirror, we can see the reflection of that experimental procedure. So this will be the Fabry-Perot echelon, and when the rays will be transverse, that will be the it will be generated in the between two plate of laser head. So that will be the controller of control in that Brewster plate, we get the controlling that beam of. So that to insert Fabry-Perot echelon between the laser mirrors is shown in see in figure above. So that we insert the Fabry-Perot echelon, that will be the laser mirrors will be that can be inserted in that case. So the Fabry-Perot echelon consists of pair of parallel reflective surfaces. That surfaces will be presenting in the pair of form, and out of axial large axial modes will of the optical cavity. So then this will be the optical cavity, and mode that coinciding with the echelon mode is will be that sustained. So that case we get the some modes will be generated from that coinciding the axial of large optical cavity, that due to that optical phenomena we get the reflection of that laser beam in case of see, we can see in that in front of that high reflectivity mirror. So all other modes cancel out by the destructive interference when they pass through the Fabry-Perot echelon. Or we can see the all modes that will be cancelled due to Fabry-Perot of echelon can be that medium of interference will be past the pass can so that reason the that causes the this mode will be destructive interference form. So in this way we discuss the topic about the single mode of longitudinal mode of operation by using the Fabry-Perot experiment. So in this way we can see that how can be Fabry-Perot echelon experiment, the laser mirrors is we can see in this diagram, and that will be passes the laser beam of light in that in reflection will be we can see in the high reflectivity of mirror form. So thank you.